How to set up a follow button beside your name on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to set up a follow button beside your name on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner to access menu page. Scroll down. Tap Settings and Privacy. Now choose Settings. On the Settings and Privacy section, scroll down. Under Audience and Visibility section, choose How People Find and Contact You. Now select Who Can Send You Friend Request and tap on Friends of Friends, which is underneath Everyone. Once you do that, you are good to go. Now, if you comment anywhere beside your name, there will be a follow button. People can follow you easily and your following list will increase. So that is how we set up a follow button beside your name on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.